How you doing? Trin Rios again. Let me tell you what one of my friends and mentors, Vick Strizheus, has just done. Now, Vick is the founding member and founder and CEO of a educational company called the 4% Group. Now, Vick has just finished shooting and has continued to shoot a bunch of free videos on training for entrepreneurs. Now, again, these videos are completely free, and if you click below this video, you'll have complete access to all these videos. Now, he's been shooting one video every day for about the last month, and he's continued to add on. So, what you really need to do if you want access to these free training videos, costs you nothing. Just sign up, and he records a video every day, and you can have access to him. He's got a great series of videos. The one I really enjoy is called a 4-part series called The Language of Money. Now, most people don't understand money, how to get it, how to keep it, how to make it grow for you. So in this 4-part series, Vick will show you exactly how to get money, how to save it, and how to make it grow for you and your family. Now, again, just check below this video. There'll be a link that I'll provide for free that you can have access to not only this 4-part series of videos on the language of money, but all these other videos that are really great, very educational for every entrepreneur that wants to grow his business, no matter what kind of business you have, whether it's online, brick and mortar, whatever you want to sell, e-commerce, you name it. If you're online or offline and have a business and trying to make money, you need to look at these series of videos. They're completely free, and they'll greatly help you and your business grow. Okay? So, take care, God bless, and